Hello everyone, and welcome to this channel. Introducing Line Art Studio AI, the ultimate solution to effortlessly transform your photos into stunning DIY art kits that you can sell, gift, or create yourself. This powerful, browser-based tool requires no design skills. Simply upload a photo, select your style, and generate professional quality kits within minutes. Perfect for beginners, it allows you to tap into lucrative markets like holidays, weddings, and pet portraits, ensuring you have endless opportunities to profit. With a commercial license included, you can sell unlimited kits without any hidden fees or royalties. Plus, you'll receive exclusive bonuses like the Ultimate Q4 Marketing Kit and the Anti-Crafter Gift Maker Mini Class to supercharge your sales strategy. Your customers will love creating beautiful art pieces from their cherished memories, making your kits a sought-after gift option. Don't miss out on this chance to build your DIY art empire. Grab your lifetime access at a special launch price while it lasts. Create meaningful gifts that people will treasure with the ease and convenience of Line Art Studio AI. Hope you enjoyed the product presentation. But before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also click the link below for additional great bonuses. This is a limited time offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late.